is for apple, red and sweet. B is for baby, tiny feet. C is for cat, who likes to purr. D is for duck, with feathers, fur. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, who swims all day. G is for grapes, in a bunch. H is for hand, that helps a bunch. I is for igloo, made of ice. J is for jelly, tastes so nice. K is for kite, flying high. L is for lion, with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, swinging in the tree. N is for nest, where birds like to be. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for pig, rolling on the ground.